Good evening, good morning, everybody, depending on where you are following this video. This is Alex Malungbene. As I said earlier on my previous video, this channel, we have to talk about everything related to tax in DRC. And today, for the video today, we plan to talk to you what we call in French, impôt réel. Impôt réel in the English translation, we can say that is what we call like a direct tax or real tax. And what is real tax here in DRC? What is import real in DRC? And what constitutes the import real in DRC? That's just introduction of today's videos. So import real in DRC was created in the law published in 1969 by the president by then. So these taxes, it's made up for sub four taxes. The first one, we call it impôt foncier. That is in English, land tax. That's the first type of impôt réel. And the second type of impôt réel, we call it tax on vehicle. That is for the vehicle going around the city. And then the third one, we call it special tax on road. It means that the crossroad tax, when you are traveling from one province to another province, one city to another city, so you have to pay the tax on the road, you know. And then the fourth one and the last one is what we call tax on the land, the concession land, the mining concession land. We call it in French, impôt sur les concessions minières. In English translation, we can say it's called the tax on the land, the mining land. So I'm going to explain, not into details, but briefly, as I said, the first one is impôt foncier. It's for land. You bought your land in DRC, you have to pay that tax. You build that land, you have to pay that tax. And then second one is the tax on vehicle. You bought a vehicle in DRC, you have to pay that tax because you are putting your vehicle on the road, so you have to pay that tax. And then the third one is a special tax on the roads, you know, as you are traveling from one state to another. And then the fourth one is the tax on the mining. So that's the four taxes that constitute what we call here impôt réel, in simple translation English, real taxes. That's what we call it. And who manage those taxes? Those taxes are managed by the provincial, the region, the different states. Okay, let me say this: the different states that manage those taxes. It's not tax. There are not taxes that has to be managed or by the central government, but rather they are the state government, different state governments that manage those taxes. And then in DRC, we have about 26 provinces, and each provinces do manage those taxes. In the next video, we're going to explain in details the different taxes, who has to pay that, what's the deadline of paying the taxes, are there any exemption on the taxes, what are the rates of the taxes, and when to pay that, and which currency to pay that. So we're going to explain in our next video. So keep in touch with this channel, uh, subscribe to the channel so you can keep it posted with the news related to tax in DRC. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to make it in the comment or to send us the comment on our channel. We can respond whenever we have chance. Thank you very much for your attention. Then see you next time. Bye.